Chhat Puja. Chhat Puja is a famous festival of Hindus. It is celebrated in the month of October or November. This festival is celebrated in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, and many other parts of India. This festival is also celebrated in West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and in countries like Mauritius. It falls on the sixth day of the Kartik month according to Hindu calendar. On this festival, the god sun is worshipped for well-being, progress and prosperity of the humanity. It is celebrated for 4 days. These festivals women fast for the long life of their husbands and attainment of child happiness. There is a belief that Chhat Mata fulfill all the wishes of the person. It is a festival connected with purity, devotions to the sun god who is considered as the source of life on this earth. Chhat Puja is a 4-day festival with great pomp, worshipping Chhat Mata and offering Aragya to the sun has special significance in worship. The first day of the festival is Naha Khai, when devotees take holy bath in rivers and provide holy offerings to the sun god. The second day of the festival is Kharna, when the devotees prepare kheer puri and break their fast with this after offering prayer sun. The third day is the Sandhya Aragya, when people keep fast, abstaining from vain water and go to nearby water bodies to offer Aragya to the setting sun. The fourth day worship the rising sun in the morning and break their fast. Devotees will have Chhat Prasad and end the fast and festival. Of the sun rising has many health benefits. On this day, Chhat Puja symbolizes the importance of sun and how it helps to sustain life on earth.